and better people. The voice of the next president itself, under the party, my people must enjoy. I tell una say, we go surely come back. Go dey break the problem wey Nigeria get one after the other. You see, say this time I not speak big Igbo because make people see understand the reasons why this country need to move to the permanent side and need to be good, so that when the time comes for the good people to rule, they will know the problem of this country and go directly to solve it. Now, and the other side of it again, we will talk today. Now, if you look the spiritual and the physical, and you look the opposite two sides, now e get wetin me discover for this country where our forefathers and even our religion holders mistake wey most of them make, wey be say you see dey affect some family, you see dey affect some people. They those people no even dey normal. Now, for example, I don calculate reason say some families now, no matter how they do reach, they no dey ever progress. This one no be government hand e dey, and this one no even be even the country hand e dey, na the hand e dey. Why I dey talk like this? E get some people those days wey be say the fathers commit one thing or the other, instead of the community to say, okay, this person, we don catch am say commit this thing, they cannot go one shrine or one ancestral thing. Instead of to punish the person personally, they go punish the person. They go lay curse on the generation wey they no even know, wey they no even know wetin the children go be. To go cause first generation, some na your children, 3 generations they don cause now. Children. That is 2 generations, bro. Now some go cause almost 4 generations. Your children to come, which you don't know whether those children how they life go they be. Now after you don't cause all this generation finish, and now one person commit this sin, and now one person commit am, then you go expect say this generation, if they don't come, they go begin to suffer. They suffer for the papa problem or the mama problem or the family problem, which they know every day when they commit am. So what they try talk now is, most stop to they do say somebody offend you, instead of you to punish the person, you begin cause a generation, which what they concern a generation concern what did the person do. The generation know whether this person commit this thing, so that if the generation come back to this life, in future time, may they foresee progress. Not be everything we put am for government head. If you see now some people they face family costs. Now government hand the city. Even if the person don't go university finish, come back, he go struggle go university finish, he go see struggle come out. When he made for he go by self see better work. He go get the work, but after like some time, their work no go over reach in hand. Sometimes they go over through one. They always get favor for better thing, but that thing no they ever reach in hand. That one a government fault, not be government fault. This thing are waiting some traditional rulers, some religional holders need to know. As we as a own, as African people, need to see no. What could not they cause? If you want cause person, cause only the person will offend you, not they cause a generation. A generation not get what to do about this. Because if your children come up, or the generation come up, some people become the leader of tomorrow of this country. If they come, that cause go see they follow the family. They not go see they do well. Then you call the thought say the country bad. Whereas you know bad. Now cause where they follow that person, now they follow and waka. I beg, if somebody offend you in any way, cause only the person, because not only you want to commit that thing, not they point finger on your generation to come. That's some of the cause, my dear. That's why they will say some family cause, they know they feel breaker. Apart from that's why they advise abortion not the good to do, because if first generation come, no matter what they go do, that thing no go fit conquer. Second generation come, no matter what they go do, no go conquer. Third generation go come, know what they go do, they no go do. If na fourth generation that thing end, any pikin where you go see say they go born, now that one go bring blessing to that family. That's why they see say some family na grandchildren they bring blessing come. Not be even the children or grandchildren, and they bring blessing come. Not be say the fathers no try. They the all best, but they no fit bring blessing based on the thing wey trap dem down. Why I dey really stop this thing is some people dey suffer this thing but they no know today. They no know today, but everything they go put am for government head. Solve your first spiritual problem, then leave the rest for God, so that government go take over from this. You understand? So that is it. So you wey dey do say somebody offend you, you go dey curse am, curse the generation to come. E no concern that generation, because na that person na offend you. Me, I go beg traditional rulers, I go beg individuals today, and I go beg the religion holder. This thing no suppose, so that we go know people wey dey rule us for this country, whether they dey suffer generation cause. Because if you watch now, Nigeria is one of the blessed country in the planet, but it look like the leaders are cursed. Which of the cause they cause them, we no even know. Whether na from family they for cause them, whether na from individual they take cause them. And if you watch, even since 1960 to this time, it be like na the set of people wey collect independence. Now see they rule us. If they no be them they rule us, they go be their children they rule us, or their grandchildren see they rule us. So it's better than this cause who will always be cause people. One person offend, you go cause am, cause the generation. Some family dey suffer from 40 generation cause, some dey suffer for 2 generation cause, some dey suffer from 3 generation cause, which is very bad. Abeg, if somebody offend you, cause only the person, no cause the family, no cause the generation, so that we go know whether some people for